everyone, it's Charlotte here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the perfect summer glow all year round. This video is in collaboration with Strawberrynet, so thank you so much to Strawberrynet for sponsoring this video and working with me. I'm showing you guys all the products I received from Strawberrynet. What I love about Strawberrynet is that you can get the best beauty at the lowest prices. My favorite brands are stocked on Strawberrynet. We have like Benefit, Anastasia, YSL, Urban Decay, NARS, just all the brands that I love and I'm sure you guys love too. As well as Strawberrynet having the lowest prices, I also have a 20% discount code for you guys. Like, how good is that? Lowest prices, and then on top of that, you get a discount. So the code is on the screen and link it down below for you guys. So make sure you use that at your checkout. And so this is my box of goodies that I got. I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. Whew. I'm just gonna take this. So here we have all the products that I received. I'm literally so excited to show you guys. So I got a bunch of highlighters and a bronzer, I believe. So let's just dig straight into this. Who doesn't love a good unboxing? Plus their packaging is super secure, so you know no one's makeup is gonna be breaking. Okay, so here are all the products that I'm going to be using to show you guys. The first thing I got is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This is their Ultimate Glow Kit. I'm literally so excited. Oh my, look at this. Like, imagine the glow that you can get using these. I have so many like gold, beautiful color. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be using this. This item is the Tardis Pro Palette, and I absolutely love this palette. Like, it is such a cool, oh my god, look, it opens like this and it has two mirrors on either side. Oh my gosh, look at this. Got 4 highlighting shades at the top, and then we have 2 like bronzing and contouring colors at the bottom, and I believe that one's a cream and that one's a powder. I have 2 products from the balm, and I've actually never tried the balm, so I was so excited to test some of their items out. This is the Manizer Sisters The Luminizing Collection. It has Mary Luminizer, Cindy Luminizer, and Betty Luminizer all in this little palette. Oh my gosh, I love this. There we have the 3 colors there, which is Mary Lou, Cindy Lou, and Betty Lou. And then we have the cult favorite Bahama Mama bronzer. I've always wanted to test this out, and I actually can't wait because I have heard the most amazing things about this product. So those products are all available at Strawberrynet, and they'll be linked down below. So now I'm gonna show you guys a little tutorial on how to get the best summer glow. We're gonna start off with the Bahama Mama bronzer, and this is gonna give us a bit of a bronze. Something that is essential to an overall like summer glow is definitely having really like bronzy cheeks and like bronzy face. Also a good tan helps, which I'm currently not tan, which I really need to tan. Like, I've just been so lazy at the moment, and I definitely need to get my tan on. So we're gonna give that a good bronze. Oh my goodness, yes. I love that. You guys see that? It's like the perfect bronze contour. This is definitely my new favorite. Oh my god, yeah, this is definitely gonna be my absolutely new favorite. Some of that also on the top of my head, just to get the bronziness going all the way around. Like, you can definitely already see how much of a difference just that one product has made to my face. Like, it has given my face so much more like warmth and color, and that is something that I absolutely love. So I'm gonna put some highlighter on this side of my face, and then I'm gonna pop some, like a different one on my nose and a different one on my cupid's bow, and then we're just gonna like see how they all turn out. Okay, so I'm really intrigued by white sand in the middle right here, so we're gonna test that one out here. This looks super golden. Can we see that glow? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the highlight? Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. Can you see that? Because I can definitely see that. That is beautiful. I feel like this color is the perfect color for my face because it's kind of golden, but it's also not too golden, because I know like when you have like a really gold highlight, it can like be a different color to your face, if you like get what I mean. But this one totally blends in with my skin. Okay, so we're gonna go into the Tardis Pro Palette here, and I think I'm gonna try lit and stun. I think I'll just put lit on my nose. Okay. Oh, there we go. Already I can see the... Oh my god, I like... Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. This one is a very champagne-y color. I'm gonna blend this out a little bit because I put a lot too much on. And on my Cupid's bow, I'm gonna take a bit of Merry Luminizer. I'm gonna use my finger. Look at that. I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, wow. There we go. I'm actually so impressed by all these highlighters. Like, these are incredible. So I've just swatched all of the glow kit for you guys. Look at that shimmer. So here's the kit. We've got Snow White Sand, Golden Dawn, Sunray, Amber Gold, and Hot Sand. And then that is all the colors there. They're incredibly... Can you see white sand next to snow there? That looks incredible. I'll grab my torch to show you guys the extra glow. You see that? So here is the Tardis Pro Palette. We have Lit, Strobe, Fire, Stunner. We have the Sculpt and Shade there. So I'll show you guys the swatches on my arms. These are incredible. Look at that. I can't even tell if they're in... Oh my god, I'm really hoping the other ones are in focus now. Look at those. That is the Sculpt shade at the end. Look at... Oh my god. Look at Strobe. Like, Strobe is just having a good time. Look at that. And the last three swatches we have are of the Luminizer palette. Mary Lou, Cindy Lou, and Betty Lou. So Mary Lou, Cindy Lou, and Betty Lou. It'll be beautiful for darker skin as well. Like, how stunning. So that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. All these products are available on Strawberrynet, and make sure you use my code for a discount at checkout. Shout out to Strawberrynet for partnering with me on this video. Couldn't be done without you guys. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe, and make sure to click that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see all your beautiful faces in the next one. Love you. Bye, guys.